Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we will learn another equation, chemical equation to balance. So here you can see it's magnesium plus oxygen gives us magnesium oxide, Mg plus O2 gives us MgO. And for balancing the equation, what we do, we write all the atoms of the left side of magnesium first. Since there is a subscript 1 here, it's invisible if there are 1 atoms only, so we don't write 1 over here in subscript. So we have only just 1 atom of magnesium and 2 atoms of oxygen, so O is equal to 2. On the right side of the arrow we have 1 atom of magnesium. See, you can see Mg over here, it's invisible, and O doesn't have this number over here, so it means it's 1 over here as well. So if you look at magnesium is kind of okay, but oxygen, it has 2 atoms on the left as you can see here, and oxygen on the right have just 1 atom. So think of that what we can do to make it balanced. We need 2 on the right for oxygen. We cannot put a number over here in the subscript to make it balanced, but what we can do, we can put 2 in front of this whole formula here. So this coefficient is allowed to put in front. So now we can see this oxygen, or now 2, whatever the 1 over here, we just multiply this 2 with this 1. So 1 times 2, it will make 2 of the oxygens. Now oxygens are balanced, but this 2 in front means that there are 2 magnesiums as well, so it will increase the number of magnesium. Now you can see the number of magnesium is kind of differed. Now what we can do to make it balance on the left as well, we can put 2 over here in front of the magnesium element, and now we have 2 magnesium atoms on the left as well. So this is how you are going to balance 2 magnesium, 2 magnesium, 2 oxygens on the left and 2 oxygens on the right as well. So this is balanced. We can move on our next equation. This is also an easy equation here. Lithium plus fluorine gives us lithium fluoride. So this equation need to balance. Over here on the left you have just 1 lithium and we have 2 fluorine atoms, and on the right we also have 1 lithium but fluorine atoms are also 1 as well. So this need to be balanced. So what we can do, simply put 2 in front over here in front of this formula to make the fluorine 2 atoms, and it will make 2 on the right. But you can see the lithium atom is disturbed. There are 2 lithiums on right but only 1 on the left. So what to just do, we have got 2 lithium atoms on the right, and to make it balance we can put 2 here in front of this lithium in the left, so it will balance both the sides. 2 lithium atoms, 2 fluorine. You can see here 2 lithium over here, 2 fluorine on the left and 2 fluorines on the right as well. Now the last equation we are going to do today, over here we have potassium 1 atom, oxygen 2 atoms on the left, and on the right we have 2 atoms of potassium as you can see here, and just 1 atom of oxygen. So this oxygen and this potassium both are not balanced. So what we can do, since we have 2 potassium on the right, so for left we can put 2 in front over here to balance it, and for oxygen we have 2 on the left and 1 on the right. So to make it balanced we can put 2 here. Now over here we have 2 potassiums, and on the right we have 4 potassiums. Since 2 times 2 makes 4, so it's now disturbed, and for oxygen there are 2, and on the right 2 times 1 over here makes 2 oxygens. So what we are going to do, since we have potassium 4 here on the right, so what we can do to just balance it, we can simply cross that out and put a 4 there, so that we have 4 potassiums. Now it's kind of balanced. 4 potassiums, 2 times 2, 4 potassiums here. two oxygens, and this two also belongs to this oxygen, so two oxygens, so it's balanced. So we can write our new equation like that, 2K2O. So it's balanced. Thank you for watching.